Hey there, if you're having trouble making calls on your iPhone or your calls just aren't going through, don't worry, I'm here to help you out. In this video, I'll guide you through 3 advanced solutions to fix those annoying call issues. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. By ejecting the SIM card from your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds. After that, reinsert the SIM card. Then check if the issue is resolved. Most likely, your problem will be fixed right after that. Now, follow the next solution. Solution 2. Set the most compatible network system for calls. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Mobile Data or Cellular Data. Keep scrolling down and tap on Network Selection. Turn off Automatic. Now select your SIM card. Next, go back to the main Cellular Data settings. Tap on Cellular Data options. Then tap on Voice and Data. Choose the network available in your area. If 5G is available, set it to 5G Auto or 4G depending on what you have. Also make sure VoLTE is enabled for better call quality. Quickly after that, swipe down and turn on airplane mode for 20 seconds. Or turn airplane mode off. Solution 3. Reset mobile network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Go ahead and reset your network settings to fix the issue. And that's it. Hopefully these steps have helped you get your calls working. Again, if you still have any questions or run into any other issues, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.